in, but I need all of you to cue the action. When I count to 3, I need everyone to yell, dump it. Okay, everyone ready? 1, 2, 3. Now we'll take the scene we just shot and edit it together with footage of our miniature tugboat, which was shot earlier in a tank like this using the same wind and rain effects.
Hey Mike, what's happening?
Miniatures, mechanical effects, and 2 highly trained professionals work together to create a classic high seas adventure.
Like that. Oh, see? That's what he's showing us.
Well, recreating a full-scale naval battle at sea could really sink a film's budget. That's why we use miniatures like the ones you see. Fire 1, Captain! Great shot. Unfortunately, that was one of ours. Oh, enemy plane's coming at 10 o'clock. Duck, everyone, duck! Glad that was over. Where is it? Looks like our captain has survived the air attack, but unfortunately he's drifted off into enemy waters. And there are torpedoes aimed at him from every direction. Fire torpedoes. They're getting closer and closer. Our captain is a dead duck.
Hey Mike. Michael.
Now, folks, this concludes this portion of your Backlot tour. And the next time that you're in the movie theater or sitting in your house watching...
Go hi. Wait, bye-bye. Wait, bye-bye.
You can tell that guy has...
Cameras and get ready to enjoy the studio Backlot tour. Alright, we're ready. Florida Comic Con up the Walt Disney Studios out Burbank, California.
Yeah, okay.
Once again, my name is Amy. I'll be your guide today, but I'm only half the team. Your wonderful driver today, his name is Brian. Everybody say hi, Brian. Hi, Brian. Well, what better way to start our using our studio facilities. Here are the writers, directors, actors, production staff, and even the star herself to go over final details, talk movie deals, and take care of the day-to-day business of filmmaking before shooting begins. We have 4 major gondolas off to us, and currently they're being housed by the production staff of Instinct. Well, we're now entering locations to your left. We have costumes worn by Renee Russo and Mel Gibson in Lance Knights for his film Passenger 57, which was shot entirely in the Orlando area. To your left is the scenic shop where carpenters create and maintain the sets we use here on our sound stages, as well as out on location. They created sets for everything from the Mickey Mouse Club to Honey, I Blew the Kids.
Hey Mike.
You'll be able to see some of their work this spring, and all the houses on our street are just facades or false fronts. And because different scripts call for different neighborhoods, all 8 houses were designed to reflect a different style of American architecture. When Jim Varney was here filming Ernest Saves Christmas, the second house on your right, number 242, was used for the exterior shots of Vern's house. By the way, this was the very first full-length feature to be filmed here at the Disney MGM Studios back in 1988. When production crews travel to cities and towns to shoot on location, they often have to deal with things they have little or nothing. George of the Jungle stars Brendan Fraser as George and Leslie Mann as Ursula.
Hey Mike, look over there.
George shares his treehouse with his faithful butler, an ape named Ape, and his dog Shep, the elephant.
Watch out for that tree. An ape named Ape. And his elephant Shep can fetch along. He's Van's friend, he's George's dog. And George of the jungle, as strong as he can be. Watch out for that tree.
Stars are from Warren Beatty's film Dick Tracy, starring Madonna and Al Pacino. Long Black Speedboat was custom built for Walt Disney's 100 Lives of Blackjack Savage. A collection of props from the Indiana Jones series. These military-looking vehicles and that tank were all part of the action of Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade. The next three cars with the Acme Waste Disposal logo on the doors. They were Horace and Jasper's vehicles and 101 Dalmatians. Now we're coming up on a series of pops from the Oscar-winning Who Framed Roger Rabbit. That menacing machine is the two-town Dipmobile, and those three blue sedans are 3 of 7 that were built to show progressive stages of destruction as they were shot at and blown up. And that trolley car is really just a modified city bus. The two futuristic-looking vehicles are from last fall's science fiction adventure, Starship Troopers. Helicopter cockpit is from Blue Thunder, and from Disney's Rocketeer, we have two prop airplanes. Battered Boslin was used by John Candy in Cool Runnings. The two Yellow Lotus are from Honey, I Blew Up the Kid, the pink Mercedes from Dolly Parton's Straight Talk, and those two large compartments are two of several that made up the interior of the USS Alabama in Crimson Tide. Well, now if you take a look across the canal, you'll get a backstage view of Residential Street. As you can see, the houses are nothing but false fronts. Notice how the architectural details, like shingles on the roof, stop just beyond camera range. Well, that's because we only build what the camera needs to see. It's an old Hollywood production trick called saving money. Well, up ahead of us is a large standing set that's been used in a number of commercials and TV specials. This is where they're filming those special effects I was telling you about earlier. Carrying such as cameras, purses, and small children, and please remain seated at all times.
Mike, stay seated.
Well, this set was modeled after an actual canyon in Southern California. It took our production crew 6 months to build it, which is a long time for a set. But considering how long Mother Nature takes to build the real thing, that's not so bad. Well, since they're not filming right now, we should be able to stop in here for at least a couple minutes so you can take some pictures and I'll tell you some facts about our canyon. You can't see it from here, but located just above us is a special platform where production crews can mount their cameras to shoot down into the set. If you take a look across the canyon, you'll see a large tanker truck we had in our boneyard. Since we couldn't drive it across the ravine, we had to hoist it up over the back of the canyon and lower it down into position for this shot. Earlier today, they were testing a rain effect in here. Oh, thank you, guys. Well, to create this rain, we used high-powered rain spots located overhead just out of camera range. Nozzles on the end of the spots that spray the water outwards to give the rain a more natural look as it is falling. And since the camera sees in only 2 dimensions, it looks as if the rain is falling in... Oh, C1, thank you. Hey, guys, top to see, we have guests out here. Guys, this is the tour shuttle, not the stunt shuttle. Oh, boy. Well, thanks out, everybody. It looks like we're going to be in this scene. Started when we opened the gates of 3 large holding tanks on top of the canyon and sent 70,000 gallons of water thundering down towards our shuttle. To add more action to the scene, some of the water was thrown into the canyon using air cannons. The show.
Mike, did you like that?
Detachment Canyon was originally designed with the help from a Hollywood special effects crew. So what seemed like an entire show could be reset in just 3.5 minutes, which is just enough time for another shuttle load of victims. Positioned at the end of the street, the real Empire State Building stands over 100 stories tall, while ours is just over 4. And just passing our street is the Goosebumps Horrorland Fright Show, which features the frightening creations of R.L.